What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have a sheet metal cutter. Now, one thing I have to say is I already did the unboxing, you guys. Unfortunately, what I'm saying now wasn't in the video. My apologies. The video got messed up, you guys. So I just wanted to do a proper introduction. So with this thing, right here is used for a different drill style. It's more like those drill styles with like the hammer drill, like the really skinny housing on it. All right. And then you can hook it up this way with your regular drill. All right. So what you have to do, well, I already showed y'all in the video, but basically, you know, you put it on and you cut. The thing is, I don't have no sheet metal yet, but it should be coming soon, hopefully. And I will go ahead and review the cutter as far as cutting the metal. But other than that, let's go ahead. I'll plug y'all into the other half of the video. And okay, so I won't be able to use this application right here, you guys. I'm just gonna put it on my drill. Okay, so one side was for the hammer drill and the other side is for the regular drill, you guys. So my apologies on that. Right. All right, so you hook it up like that. I guess this holding spring is supposed to go around here and all the way around to the other side. So let's see if we can do it. Yeah, I'm ready to call you dad.
Where they put it at?
Right here.
They just came?
Yeah.
I'll call them for you.
All right. All right, you guys, sorry. Talking to my wife. So as y'all can see, I was wrapping this spring around here. So it is absolutely not going nowhere. Like, seriously, it's not moving. Oh, sorry, got the light in your face, but now, once again, I don't have no sheet metal yet, you guys, but I'm just showing y'all the install right now and unboxing and stuff like that. So that will be it. I could tighten this if I want to, but I believe, oh, wrong way. Don't hit the button. All right, so everything is good to go. So we do not need this unless you're using your hammer drill, okay? So they do have the hammer drill or the other drill. I don't know. It's either a hammer drill or the other style drill. So I will post a picture of it, you guys. All right, anyways, so that will be it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, please put it in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Subscribe to the channel. I will be having sheet metal on the channel and we will be making some cuts with this. So yeah, that's in the near future. So, you know, just be ready for near future. Near future could mean like a month from now. So anyways, like, comment, share, and subscribe.